I want to show you a real simple recipe. Now this is my favorite go-to recipe on a weekday night, and it's adobo chicken. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a little bit of chicken thighs. I like to use thighs, but you can use wing or drumstick, whatever you like. Then you're going to need some medium soy sauce. And then you're gonna need a little bit of white vinegar. You're gonna need some bay leaves, some black peppercorns, garlic, and I like to use a little bit of chicken bouillon and salt, and I also like to use a little bit of annatto oil, and I also like to use shallots instead of onion. And of course, to finish it off, we're gonna need a little bit of coriander. Okay, so let's get started. In this cast iron, I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil. In the meantime, while I'm waiting for the pan to heat up, I'm going to pat dry all my chicken. And I'm going to put my pepper and my chicken bouillon. I'm gonna use that to season it quickly first, and then I will put it in the pan. So I'm just gonna rub that all around. Make sure that every chicken has a little bit of seasoning. As soon as it starts to smoke up, that's when you know it's ready. So I'm just gonna put it in the pan now, skin side down. To place my chicken back onto the skillet. I'm going to add my peppercorns and my bay leaves. We're going to add the soy sauce, the vinegar, and a little bit of this annatto oil. And we're gonna just let this simmer on the stove on low, and then we're gonna place it back in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Completely coated with that beautiful sauce. And if you need to, just add a little bit of hot water to it. Okay, and in the meantime, I'm also going to put in my garlic as well. I probably should have done that a little bit earlier, but I forgot. So better late than never. Isn't this color gorgeous? And if you like, you can go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of sugar. That will just kind of balance out the flavors. Oops, my rice is ready. Okay, so it's just about almost ready, but I'm gonna put it in the oven to finish it off for about 10 to 15 minutes, okay? And if you want to continue on your stovetop, you're more than welcome to, but I find that it's a little bit more of an even cook like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and boil some simple okra, but you could use whatever veggie you like. It's time to eat. Okay, so let's take this out. Be very, very careful. Just sit that down here. And that's so beautiful. And what I like to do, instead of using onions, I like to use shallots instead, fried shallots, because it offers a little bit of crunch and sweetness that I personally really like. So, and of course, we have to garnish it with a little bit of coriander. And here's a little thing I learned off TikTok. Even TikTok has value. Whoops. Okay, hold on one second. Into this. I love how the chicken skin is no longer crispy because it's been braising in the sauce, but it still has like that char, so it's still really nice. Oh yeah, this is so good. Easily one of the best recipes, so simple. And it's got a little bit of it's got a little bit of a brightness because of the vinegar, and it's got the crunch because of the fried shallots, and you can really get the aroma of the basil. The bay leaf. But it is one of the best and easiest recipes. I love this recipe so much. Filipinos, you know how to do this. So good. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to finish the rest of my meal now. I hope you click like and subscribe, and be sure to watch my next video. Okay, see you, bye.